Hey everyone, my name's Cailey Chase and I'm with Vahana Nature Rehabilitation. And this is Narayana Howe from Ishtadev Niwas Ashram and Farm. And we're going to tell you about our invasive plant toolbox.
And it's going to be very short and squishy, very short and squishy.
Okay, I'm listening. So here, I'm going to show you this, guys and gals out there in video land. This is our invasive plant toolbox. See, we've got some bugs there, and there's some goats, and there's some plants. There's something eating the plants. Very clever.
He's trying to eat the box.
So we're going to put that there. So there's one question that I'm going to ask Narayana, and he's going to tell you all what biodiversity means.
Biodiversity is when there is a variety of different plants, animals, bugs, insects, spiders, because spiders are not part of either bugs or insects, and last but not least, this amazing creature.
Mystical creature.
Mystical creature.
Okay, now we've told you about biodiversity. Now we're going to show you our
Vahana toolbox.
invasive plant toolbox. Okay, so let's look in here. Which tool are we gonna talk about first, Narayana? I think I know what it is. It's hand pulling. Do you ever do some hand pulling for invasive plants?
Some days.
So there, some days you do. So you have to have your protective hat on, and you have to have your gloves on. Sunglasses are nice, so you're out in the sun, because it's usually really right in the middle of the summer when you're pulling invasive plants, and you want to have some good gloves. That's pretty good, hey? So hand pulling. That's the first tool in our toolbox. What's the next tool, Narayana? Do you remember?
Buggy wuggies.
Buggy wuggies. Biocontrol.
So, give me the buggies. So, here is the bug that looks like the invasive plant eating buggy.
For spotted knapweed.
Here is the second bug, just for entertainment. Here's the third bug, just for entertainment. And here's the fourth bug, just for entertainment. Last but not least, the fifth bug.
Let them look at it better. And you know what? This is a really good example of biodiversity. We've got
is a group of buggies.
And they're all different. That's biodiversity. Okay, now let's go back to our toolbox, Narayana. So we'll put those down. What's our next tool? Oh, herbicide spraying. That's the next tool. So when you're herbicide spraying, again, you want to wear your hat. You want to wear some safety glasses. And then, here, let me hold that. You put your gloves on. So Narayana's got his safety glasses on. And then rubber gloves to keep it from getting on his skin. And then herbicide spray. So we usually spray that on small plants in the spring or small plants in the fall. So that's herbicide spraying. So far we've got hand pulling, biocontrol, buggy wuggies, and herbicide spraying. Well, that's good. Okay. What's the next one, Narayana? Seeding native plants. You got your equipment for seeding native plants?
Yep.
Yep. Where's our seeding bag? Did I lose it? Here it is. Right here.
Seeding bag?
So this is what you would carry a seed in. Put that up over your shoulder. There.
I think it looked just best how it was, but you know, I can't figure everything. La la la.
That's awesome, Narayana. Good work.
Well, that's really
Very good. So there, we've got hand pulling, and we've got biocontrol, otherwise known as buggy wuggies, and we've got herbicide spraying and seeding native or desirable plants to outcompete the seeds, the weed seeds, and what's the last one? Since we're talking about water, weeds, and goats in our program here, what's the last one in our toolbox?
It's right over there.
Right over there. Nakamsu, we've got our goat herd, and right over here. Maybe we should go and walk over and we can look at our goat herd.
Yeah, we can go see our goat buddies.
They were eating this morning on some invasive plants, the invasive plant called sulfur cinquefoil, and now they're taking their rest, and they'll go back out this evening. Okay, that's it. Thanks for listening to us about our invasive plant toolbox. Talk to you soon.
Ba, 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 ba.